Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on the Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. As you can see, the device is offline even though it's with me. First, confirm you're on a 2.4 GHz network. Mine has both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz, so I know it's working. Next, go to the app, tap the three dots, swipe down, and click Delete Device at the bottom, then Confirm. Now retry pairing after restarting the robot. Hold both buttons simultaneously until you hear it enter network connection mode. The robot turns on, and if it doesn't enter connection mode, hold the buttons again until you hear the confirmation. Once in connection mode, the app should discover the device automatically. Tap pair now and make sure you're on the same network. It will scan and upload information. Keep the robot close to the router. Once connected, set the room and name, agree, and skip the guide if you like. The app will load and show everything is working. That's how you fix Wi-Fi not connecting, just a simple reset and repair. I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.